Okay, welcome back to the Catalina 27 channel. Just a quick little video here. I'm working on the interior. It takes a very long time to edit them up, so that's going to be a few days, a week or so before I'm done with that. I bought this TSP substitute because I have to clean and degloss and prep for paint, and TSP is the best stuff because it cleans it, degreases it, deglosses it, and you don't have to rinse it. You clean it off with this stuff, let it dry, it's ready for paint. So easy. Done it in the past. Works like a charm. So I'm at the Home Depot. I can't find the little box of the white powder, which is the actual TSP, trisodium phosphate. So I buy this because it says right on the label, TSP substitute. So I'm thinking, oh, it's the environmentally responsible cleaner. So I buy it. I'm getting ready to go. I got all my stuff together. And I read the instructions to look for the mix because it's concentrated. And it says right on the label, not a deglosser. What the hell? It's not a TSP substitute. It's just a frickin' cleaner. Oh, man. So now I got to go back out to the store, put all the stuff away, put all my crap away, lock the shop up, go to the store and buy some TSP, which I just should have bought the first time. Instead of listening to these idiots telling me this is TSP frickin' substitute. Oh my God, it's so annoying. So I'm just letting you guys know so you don't make the same mistake. If you're gonna clean an interior bits prior to paint, whether it's the bilge or inside the storage cabinets or whatever, you have to degloss it because paint doesn't stick to glossy anything. So you gotta clean it off, dewax it, degrease it, and just clean it properly and prep it for paint. Otherwise, you're gonna have to prime it, and you don't need to do that. It's just too much. It's just waste of time. So before you put your bilge paint on, which is what I use for the interior bits anywhere, I use the bilge paint because it's an oil-based enamel. It's field-proof, chemical-proof, and it's really nice to paint with. It's a little smelly, but you're in a boat. You can just open up the hatches and that's fine. So yeah, don't bother, waste of time. Why do I got to make negative product reviews? You know what I mean? I don't. Anyway, see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.